Let us continue with the chapter hydrocarbons. We were discussing about electrophilic substitution reaction given by benzene. Various electrophilic substitution reactions are nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Nitration of benzene gives nitrobenzene as major product. Chlorination of benzene carried out in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives chlorobenzene as major product. Sulfonation of benzene gives benzene sulfonic acid. Friedel-Crafts alkylation carried out using chloromethane in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives toluene. Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene carried out using acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives acetophenone. Let us now continue with the topic. Benzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride under dark cold conditions to give hexachlorobenzene and HCl. Next we shall discuss about addition reaction. Addition of hydrogen to benzene which is carried out in the presence of nickel gives cyclohexane. Addition of chlorine to benzene carried out in the presence of UV light and at 500 Kelvin gives benzene hexachloride BHC, also known as gamaxane. Combustion of benzene gives carbon dioxide and water. Next we shall discuss the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. 3 steps are involved. First step is generation of the electrophile. Second step is formation of carbocation. And third step is removal of proton from the carbocation. Now let us see the first step, that is generation of the electrophile E+. In chlorination or in halogenation reaction, let us see how the electrophile chloronium ion Cl+ is generated. It is generated by the reaction of chlorine with the catalyst aluminum chloride. Chlorine plus aluminum chloride gives chloronium ion Cl+ and AlCl4-. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, let us see how the electrophile is generated. Methyl chloride reacts with aluminum chloride catalyst to give methyl carbocation CH3+, which is the electrophile, and AlCl4-. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, electrophile CH3CO+ is generated by the reaction of acetyl chloride with aluminum chloride catalyst. So CH3COCl plus AlCl3 gives CH3CO+ plus AlCl4-. Now let us see how the electrophile is generated in the case of nitration. We know that nitration is carried out using concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. So a reaction occurs between nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Oxygen present in nitric acid has 2 lone pairs of electrons. Using one of its lone pair of electrons, this oxygen atom present in nitric acid takes up a proton from sulfuric acid, and this results in the formation of a positively charged ion and HSO4-. Now consider the positively charged ion thus formed. The bond pairs of electrons get shifted to oxygen, and thus it leads to the formation of water molecule. Along with that, nitronium ion is also produced. So this is how nitronium ion is generated in nitration reaction. Next step involved in electrophilic substitution reaction in the mechanism is formation of carbocation. Benzene ring will be attacked by the respective electrophile, and it leads to the formation of sigma complex or arenium ion. Third step involved in the mechanism is removal of proton. From the sigma complex, hydrogen or a proton will be taken up by AlCl4-, and it leads to the formation of the product of the reaction. Along with that, HCl and aluminum chloride will be produced. Now instead of AlCl4-, if HSO4- is present, as in the case of nitration reaction, a proton will be taken up by HSO4-, that leads to the formation of sulfuric acid, and we get the respective product. Next we shall discuss next topic, that is directive influence of the substituent already present in benzene. The substituents already present may be either ortho-para-directing or meta-directing groups. So there are certain groups which direct the incoming group to the ortho and the para positions. Such substituents or groups are known as ortho-para directing groups. For example, OH, NH2, NHR, NHCOCH3, OCH3, methyl group, ethyl group, all these are ortho-para directing groups. So if we have compounds like phenol C6H5OH, aniline C6H5NH2, or ether anisole C6H5OCH3, or toluene, when these compounds undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, the OH, NH2, OCH3 or the CH3 group will direct the incoming group to the ortho and the para position. So electrophilic substitution reaction of these compounds will give ortho and para products. For example, if we consider nitration of phenol, OH group present in phenol is ortho-para directing. So if nitration is carried out using dilute nitric acid, the nitro group will enter either the ortho position or the para position, and as a result of which we get orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol as products. Now there are certain groups which will direct the incoming group to the meta position. So such groups are known as meta-directing groups. For example, NO2 group, then CN, CHO, COR, COOH, carboxylic acid group, all these are meta-directing groups. For example, if we consider benzaldehyde, CHO group is present, this is meta-directing. So if nitration of benzaldehyde is carried out using nitric acid and sulfuric acid, CHO group will direct the NO2 group to the meta position, as a result of which we get meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. So that is all about directive influence of the substituent already present in benzene. It can be, the groups can be either ortho-para directing or meta-directing. Thus we have covered all the topics given in the chapter hydrocarbons.